Welcome back to DTIT. My name is Dave. DTIT is a place where someone can stop in for some basic IT help for common issues. Here at DTIT, I take you step by step through the problems using screenshots to see exactly what you need to do. I chose this type of format to help the new user or someone new to IT. If you find this kind of format and video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out. I have other videos for you to choose from and many more that's going to be coming online soon. All right, so let's deal with today's issue. Today's issue is going to be DHCP, how to set that up, or setting up a static IP address. All right, the first thing we're going to do is go down to your little search tab down there, and we're going to type control panel, and this is what's going to come up. And at the top of the page there, you'll see where it says control panel. You're going to click on that. Okay, now we're on the control panel page. So this is what it looks like. You're going to be looking for network and internet. You see on the network and internet section, you have a few things to choose from. We're going to just click on the top part where it's just network and internet. All right, now we're in the network and internet page. We're going to go find the network and sharing center. Okay, now we're in the network and sharing center. We're going to need to change an adapter setting. So if you see in the left-hand side of your screen, up towards the top, you'll see where it says change adapter setting. We're going to click on that. Okay, once we've clicked on that change adapter setting, a list of adapters available for you to deal with will show up. So the one that we want to deal with here is already highlighted on our screen. Now we're going to right click that to proceed further. Okay, once we've right clicked that, you get the little drop down box or a box that shows up. We're going to want to go to the bottom of that and click on properties. All right, once we're inside the properties, we're going to scroll down until we find the IPv4 version 4, and we're going to click on that. Okay, now we're in the IPv4, IP version 4 properties box, and you'll see here the first option, we can hit that little circle with that tab. That's what you would use to enable DHCP when you're wanting your machine to automatically find an IP address for you. So you'll click that if you want DHCP, but this first thing that we'll show is how to statically put in an IP address. And as you see there, it's already comes up as a screen like it's going to be statically enabled for you. So what you would do is you would just go to IP address, that little box right there on the right, and you'll type in the IP address that you want to use, the subnet mask, the default gateway, which is your default router, and you should also put in a preferred server and a DNS server that goes with that. You statically or put in manually all of that information and click OK. If you're not needing a static address and you're just using a pool of IP addresses from a server at workstation at work, you could just click on the top option right there on the screen, which is it enables DHCP. It will search the pool of IP addresses and automatically fill in all of the spaces for you. And you just hit OK. I thank you again for stopping by DTIT. I hope you found this video helpful. I have many more that you can choose from and others that's coming down the line. But this one was dealing with DHCP, how to set that up, or how to enter a static IP address. So this is just to get the feet wet a little bit on how to do that.